In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to swap USDT to Solana on the Phantom wallet. So the first thing you have to do is just to click here. So if you click here right now, then you are going to see something. You pay USDT. So let us select USDT here, and then you receive Solana. So let me select Solana here. Okay, and then I'm going to put in the amount that I want to, that's how many USDT that I want to swap to Solana. So I'll just go ahead to put on 10. Okay, and then I'll go ahead to click on swap now. All right, you see right over here, swapped USDT. So it has been successful. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. See you in my next video and stay blessed.